In front of me is Oppo Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner of your keyboard. If it's not visible for you, click on this gear one instead. Select voice typing and make sure that use voice typing is activated. Then go back to your keyboard, click on your microphone and tap on while using the app in the pop-up. Following that, just start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!